It's very much a real life question here. If we wanted to paint some rooms, we'd have to know the square footage to figure out how much paint we need. All right. So she has rectangular walls. All right. And they're all 8 feet high. So each wall, so I'm going to draw a picture here as best I can of this room. Right. So I'm going to draw it like this. You got a wall here, wall here, wall here, wall, wall, and wall in the back there. Sorry, that's a pretty bad picture. But we know that all of these are 8 feet high. Okay, all the way around it's 8 feet high. Okay, and then it says 2 of the walls are 10 feet wide, so this would be like 10 feet and 10 feet, 10 feet and 10 feet up top there. So basically we have a couple 8 by 10 walls, right, for sure. And then the other 2 walls are 15 feet wide, so this would be like 15 and 15. Okay, and the combined area of a window, blah, blah, blah. So let's just do the walls first. So we have the 4 walls we got to paint. It doesn't say anything about painting the floor or ceiling. So this wall over here would be an 8 by 10 wall. And we've got 2 of those. So we've got 80 plus 80, 8 times 10. And then the other 2 would be 15 times 8. So this wall and this wall would be 15 times 8, which would be 120. So we've got 120 plus 120. So that would be all the area total would be 400. But then we got to minus off the window because we don't have to paint over the window. So we have 1 window and 1 door that to make a total of 60 square feet. So we're just going to minus those 2 because we don't have to paint them. So the total she needs to paint is 340 square feet.